Hello, good day. For today's lesson is all about graphing linear equation using 2 points. Remember, in graphing linear equation, 2 points are enough to draw the graph because it is a line graph. To understand this reminder, let us start solving this equation. Okay, the first question is graph the given equation. So, we're going to graph this equation by using 2 points. To find 2 points, you must have assumed value of x. You must assume at least two value of x. Okay, let's set x equals to, let's say 0. Okay, let's rewrite the given. If x is 0, so 2 times 0 plus 1 plus 1, then 2 times 0, that is 0, plus 1. So the value of y is 1. So we will write that one in the table of values. Okay. If x is 0 from here, then your y is 1. Okay. Another one. Let's set x equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 times the value of x, which is 2 plus 1. By simplification, we have 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1. So your y is equals to 5. Okay. If x is 2, taken from here, then value of y is 5. Okay, let's locate this coordinate. 0, when x is 0, our y is 1. So here. When x is 2, our y is 5. Here. To connect this one, to form our graph, that will be our graph for that equation. So this is the point coordinate 0 and 1. This one 2 and 5. Okay, that is the graph of the first equation. Next equation, y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Okay, same procedure, we assume value of x. Set x equals to, let's say 1. Okay, y is equals to negative 3 times the value of 1 plus 2. So by simplification, this is negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 2. So your y is equals to negative 1. Okay, we write that one in the table of values. So when x is 1, your y is negative 1. Okay, let us use another value of x. Let's say x is equals to 2. So y is equals to 3 negative 3 times the value of x is 2 plus 2. So this is negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 plus 2. So your y value is equals to negative 4. So when x is 2, your y is negative 4. Okay, let us plot that number, that pair. So negative y4, 1 for x, then negative 1 for y. So here. Then when x is 2, negative 4 for y. Okay, connecting that one to form our graph. That will be our graph for that equation. So this point is 1 for x, negative 1 for y. This point is 2 for x, negative 4 for y. Okay, that is how to graph a given equation. Okay, number 3. The same, we have to set two values of x. You see here, let's try negative 2. If x is negative 2, then y is equals to 2 times the value of x, which is negative 2 minus 3. Then, by simplification, 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4 plus negative 3. So, your y is equals to negative 7. We'll plot that one. When y is negative 2, your y is negative 7. Okay. Let's say set x equals to 1. Okay. Y is equals to 2 when the value of x is 1 plus, negative, this is negative 3. Then, by simplification, this is 2 minus 3. So, your y is equals to negative 1. Negative 1. So, when x is 1, negative 1 is for your y. So, by plotting negative 2 and negative 7, negative 2 is what for x, then negative 7 for y. This one. This one. Then, when x is 1, negative 1 for y. So, by connecting that point, we'll have this graph. Okay. So, this point is 1 for x, negative 1 for y. This point is negative 2 for x, then negative 7 for y. Okay. That's the graph for the given y equals to 2x minus 3. Now, this next example, so as you can see in the previous example, the given is equation. But for the next example, the given are the points. So all you have to do here is to plot all of those points in the graph, then connect to form your graph. Okay, the first one is 7 for x, 1 for y. Then 2 for x, then negative 4 for y. So to connect that one, it forms now our graph of that 2 points. So this is our point coordinate for 2 and negative 4, and this one 7 and 1. Okay, next, the given is 5, 6 and negative 3 and 2. So let us locate 5, then 6. So here it is. Then negative 3, this one, and 2, this one. So for this form the graph, that's it. So this is 5 and 6, and this one is negative 3 and negative 2. Okay, that's the graph of that points. Okay, for number 3, we have negative 4, this one, and 0. So then positive 3 and negative 6 here. To connect that one, that is our graph for that points. So this is our negative 4 point coordinate, then this one our point coordinate 3 and negative 6. Okay, that's the graph for number 3. Number 4, 4 and negative 5. So this one. Then the other one is 2, negative 2 and negative 2, this one. And connect. Okay, that is the graph. This is 4 and negative 5. This one is negative 2 and negative 2. Okay, last number, negative 3, negative 3 and 2. This part. Yeah. Negative 3 and 2. This one. Then 2 and negative 5. 2 and negative 5 here. So to connect that one, that is our graph. So don't forget to write the coordinate in every point because that is your guide. Okay. Then this one is 2 and negative 5. Okay. That is how to graph an equation that passes through 2 points, and also graphing also the first 3 examples which we solve the equation and finding 2 points for the graph. So I hope this would help you in your mathematics subject, especially the one who is doing their module. I hope this would help you. For now, thank you for viewing my video, and God bless, and take care. Keep safe.